ready. So we're going to put our hands on the switch. Josh and Jerry, please put your hands on the switch. You ready? Okay. Okay, John.
20 seconds.
Woo! Timed out well. Good.
15 seconds.
Yeah, time yours.
10 seconds.
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! 2026, here we go! Oh, look at those colors! Beautiful. This is the night version of the ball. There's 5,280 waterford crystal circles of the ball. There's stars in the sky above Times Square, which is why we call it the Constellation Ball. Tomorrow night it'll be the biggest star from our show. As the whole world at 6 p.m. will watch Josh and Carnival flip that switch to light and raise the ball. Everyone down in the square will be looking up and anticipating that ball rises into the sky. We hear the cheering up here in the roof. Everyone begins the celebration. We have an amazing lineup of celebration overnight. We kick off with the Star Spangled Banner. We're celebrating America's 250th anniversary. Looking good. Wow. It is sparkling. It really is. Oh my golly. Sherry One Time Square did an amazing job bringing us a brand new ball to bring in a brand new year. Oh, look at those colors. Reds and blues and greens.
we're at the top.
Okay, we made it to the top. Yeah. Now New Year's Eve is going to happen. It worked. Well, we don't know.
Bring it back down.
Can you bring it down?
Oh my God. Stop it.
We still got to bring it down. It takes 120 seconds to go up, only 60 seconds to come down. It's about 90 feet. Gravity is an amazing thing. Look at that blue.
Wow. It works. Yeah, it works. Now they have to make sure it works. Cut it down.
Here we go. 60 seconds. There's nothing like the Times Square. We'll go up watching on TV as kids, and celebrating in college with our friends, and then doing it all over again as parents with our own family. Part of America.
Auditory function shutting down. For the record, this is our third practice run.
These guys are doing the work.
3.
Jeff, we got AMA doing the work over there.
And
all of them work.
All of them work. All of them work. But this one works the best.
2026 is the
biggest, it's the brightest, it's the best.
That's right.
Where are the fireworks going to be?
Fireworks are going to be all around us here, but not today. And then I got to tell you, we're breaking
where you're
records with
sitting.
confetti. I love confetti.
Ooh,
We
it's
have
bigger
over-
now.
We have nearly 3 tons tomorrow of confetti. We've got purple and yellow with 10 p.m.
Wow.
Our traditional multicolor midnight. This is America's 250th anniversary year. Jeff.
All right. Yeah, thank you.
Carnival blue, carnival blue.
All right.
Oops. Cruising to.
Cruising to 26.
That is sparkling blue.
Perfect.
We are ready for 2026.
Yeah. Beautiful. It's very beautiful.
The future is looking good and bright.
Happy New Year.
Got it right. We're ready. Going to the 3 times.
Super Shot of SuperFriends.